Hello guys, this is Suman Bhagat in front of you, and today I am here to represent my views about a marvelous topic which is like that you can win. Yeah, of course you can win if you are having the strong desire in your heart to do that work from the causally. If you are there, so you will win surely. But what is the problem with today's era? That the person want the things but they don't want to do the plot for it. They want the things directly, but it is not possible. If you want something, so you will have to do something for it. If you want something, then your heart will not allow you to rest. If you want to rest, that time your heart will tell you no, you will not have to rest, you will have to do work. And what is the problem with today's era? That so many persons are considering themselves that they are nothing. They are considering themselves as like garbage. But so if you are also the part of this type of person, so please stop doing this thing, because never think you are useless on this earth, because God gave you birth. After think this, whatever billion couldn't do, you can do. You are the person who is you are a human being, and human being is the best creature of the God, and God has sent you on this earth after thinking with a purpose which you have to means you have to find in yourself what is your purpose of life, and you have to do the work on it. If you will do the work on it, you will surely get the success and you will win. And what on walking on which a path you can get the success, it is that have a positive thinking and have the positive work toward your thinking. Whatever you are thinking, so do it. Never think that someone will come to do your work. You are only the creator of your destiny. Don't believe on luck. If you are believing on luck, so firstly think this luck is waiting for your best work. If you will do the best, so luck will work. And always try to believe on yourself that you are the man of the world. You can do everything. You are the person who can do that thing which the another cannot do. Just have believe on yourself. If you are watching any dream, so get ready for listening from people that you can't do it, you are fool, it has not done before. So please get ready for it, because all will tell you if you will do something, so all will tell you no, you can't do it, because they have never thought about it. So please get ready for it, and also get ready for bearing the pain, that how much pain will come in the circumstance. Whatever the circumstance will come, I am ready for bear it, because I am only that person who can bear this pain, and that's why God give me this pain. And that's why just be the ready for getting this pain, and be strong for your dream. If you are watching any dream, so please ready for it. And God is that person who everyone, you can see the example who are greatest, they just become greatest, they are also the man human being, so they are greatest because of their work. So that's why be like that. Thank you very much.